If you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in Call of Duty, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Call of Duty website or social media channels to check if there are any server outages or maintenance updates. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Close the game completely and restart it. This can help refresh the game's connection to the servers and may resolve any temporary glitches causing the loading screen issue. Step 3. Clear cache. For console players, clear the cache by turning off the console, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then restarting it. For PC players, you can clear the game cache through the game launcher settings or by verifying the game files. Step 4. Update the game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates through your game launcher or console store, as updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the issue persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the game. This can resolve any corrupted files that may be causing the loading screen to freeze. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve the stuck loading screen issue in Call of Duty. If problems continue, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.